Okay, so dito tayo guys. Yan, busy Toyota, automatic lumalabas na agad yung kanyang indicator. Sorry, yung kanyang details. Ayan, brand, model. Okay, so okay na tayo. Yan, ready na natin. Connecting to vehicle, please waiting. So, gawin natin is system diagnose. Powertrain, chassis, body. So sa powertrain tayo, sa engine tayo, or sa dito tayo sa ECT, sa engine. Ayan, so lumabas na siya, kita nyo. This is your control fuel injection, ignition timing, na control idling speed, sa diagnose function and backup function is ordinary circumstances, etc. So next. Makuha nyo lang yung basic pointers guys, at least may idea kayo. And then trouble codes. Okay, so startability, ayan, lumabas yung startability guys. 16 o 1604, rough idling 0416, secondary air injection system, switching valve second open, secondary air injection, and then vehicle speed sensor. Dami. Okay, so dito tayo sa startability guys. Mag general report tayo, view report. Ayan, lumabas agad yung yung details ko. Startability malfunction. Okay, so sige.